Okay, so today I'm going to be making slime. I've made slime before, but I looked up a recipe online just to see if it works or not. Okay, so the first thing I need, it says I need about a cup of glue. So I'm going to get it. And I'm going to be using Elmer's school glue. Okay, that's about a cup. I'm just really eyeballing it. And it said I need about a cup of water, like warm water. Okay, now I gotta mix this together. There's stuff on my spatula. Okay. Ooh, dang it, I spilled water. I think I added a little too much water, but whatever. I don't normally add water into my slimes. Okay. Then it says I need glitter. I'm trying to get my iridescent glitter. Okay. So I'm using this glitter. I think I got it. Where did I get this? I got it at the dollar store, maybe. Okay. Actually, no. I don't remember where I got it. So I add about a fourth of a cup of glitter. Okay, good enough. I don't want to use it all. Okay, and then it's the activator of your choice. So I have to go get baking soda because I like using baking soda and contact. Okay, so I can't find baking soda, so I'm just gonna use liquid starch. I'm using this Linnet starch brand that I got at Giant, and it works perfectly fine. I know you're supposed to use Staflo, but this works. I'm almost out of this too. But I've had it for like a year. Yeah, it's starting to like clump together a little. I will come back when it's all mixed together. Okay, so it's not fully mixed yet, but I'm just gonna go in with my hands. Yeah, I definitely need more. Basically liquid. Okay, time for more solution. I think the more I'm mixing it though, the less sticky it's getting, so maybe I won't. Need more starch. What exactly is liquid starch? Like, why are there like different activators that work in slime? Like there's borax, there's liquid starch, there's contact solution and baking soda. Like, they're not really that similar. There must be like one ingredient in them that makes it work. It's like a jiggly slime. I guess that's what it's supposed to be. Unless I wouldn't have added water. My hands are like always super warm, so like right now this is like really sticky to me. Ooh, I think I've added too much. Ew. Okay, so there's still stuff in this, but it's not really slime yet, so I'm just not gonna use it. Okay. Let me see, what's the next thing? Okay, so the next thing said if I want to add clay, I can add clay. Okay, so I'm gonna add clay. So I'm using this clay that I got at Walmart. There's like a bunch of different colors. It doesn't work like 100% like the others, like Daiso clay and Model Magic and stuff, but because it doesn't really mix in super well, but it still works though. It also adds a nice, it also like colors it a little too. Breaking that well. So it looks like right now I'm mixing it in. It's like we're still. My table's a mess. I make slime here all the time. Ah, it's my arm. Ah. Okay, so this is gonna take a while to mix in. So, okay, so. Ooh. It's still kind of sticky. Comment down below what your favorite type of clay is to use for butter slime. I'm gonna add a little bit more glitter in once I get this away. Okay. I always love, doing this, like you can see it, like you can't really see it now, but it's like, you can hear it. Iridescent glitter, so pretty. You can just see a little blob of clay. It takes forever to mix it in. So I'm gonna end the video now, so bye. See you next time.